Hello, this is Chaba here, and today it's pronunciation day. We are working on the nasal sounds. The nasal sounds, there are three simple nasal sounds, and those are un, 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 un. Those are three different sounds. You need to hear it first. Listen again. Un, un. To feel it, you can start with making a sound with the mouth closed, which goes like this. Mm, 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 mm. This is really nasal. So then, to have the three different, you open your mouth in a different way. So for the first one, you open your mouth from right to left, wide. Ah, ah, ah. This is actually the sound that we do when we don't understand someone or something. And you say, huh? Huh? That is very French. You can sound French. Huh? Huh? What are you saying? Huh? Okay, the next one, the second one is ah. So the mouth is open from top to bottom, but it's not wide. Okay, it's kind of narrow, but big open. Ah, ah, ah. Okay. And the third one is the mouth is in the shape of an O. So if the mouth is more closed and it goes like this. Mm, mm, mm. Alright? Ah, ah, mm. Ah, ah, mm. Faster. Ah, ah, mm. Ah, ah, mm. Again. Ah, ah, mm. Ah, ah, mm. Okay. So now we're going to do some, to read some words. So repeat after me a few words that do have the sounds. First un, then en, then du pain, du vin, du boursin, le chemin for the en sound, l'an, le vent, je prends une banque, je mange, vendre. And the last one, the sound, the sound. Hmm? Bonjour, un pompier, une montagne, mon nom, le pont. Okay, here we go. I think you have enough for today to practice your nasal sounds. I see you in the next video. Au revoir. À demain.